Struggling to start your family? You are not alone. Welcome to India's top IVF specialist, your trusted guide to finding expert care for infertility treatment. When choosing an IVF specialist, here's what truly matters: verified medical credentials, expertise in IVF, ICSI, IUI, and infertility management, affiliation with leading hospitals and IVF centers, high success rates with real patient stories, use of advanced fertility technologies like embryo freezing and genetic testing, clear communication and compassionate care, and of course, affordable packages with support for international patients. Let's meet India's top IVF experts. First, we have Dr. Rashmi Agarwal, infertility and IVF specialist with over 12 years of experience. She currently practices at Nova IVF Fertility in Gurgaon. Dr. Aswati Nair, an award-winning infertility specialist at Nova IVF Fertility, Rajouri Garden, Delhi, with over 14 years of expertise in infertility. Dr. Krithika Devi, with 25 years of experience, she is one of Nova IVF's most senior specialists, based in Chennai at MRC Nagar. Dr. Neha Gupta, founder of Mediworld Fertility in Delhi and Greater Noida. She brings over 12 years of expertise in infertility and advanced laparoscopic surgery. Dr. Ramya Mishra Shukla, fertility specialist at Apollo Fertility Delhi, with 13 years of experience and more than 5,000 IVF cycles performed. Dr. Sonia Malik, a pioneer in IVF with 35 years of experience, founder of Southern Fertility and IVF Center, and has completed over 7,000 ART cycles. Dr. Erika Patel, a specialist in reproductive medicine and surgery at SIMS Hospital, Chennai, with 16 years of experience in both male and female infertility. Dr. Sandeep Talwar, a senior consultant with over 35 years of experience at Nova IVF Fertility. Dr. Parul Katiyar, senior infertility expert and reproductive endocrinologist with 20 years of experience, currently practicing at ART fertility clinics in India. Dr. Sulbha Arora, clinical director and senior fertility consultant at Nova IVF Mumbai, with over 24 years of experience. At Vedam, we know the emotional and physical challenges couples face in their infertility journey. That's why we partner only with India's top IVF doctors and advanced centers. With transparent, affordable cost and a dedicated international patient team, we make sure your journey is smooth, from travel to treatment. Every day, we receive over 500 IVF inquiries, and we are here to guide you too. We proudly serve patients across the top 9 medical destinations worldwide. Beyond IVF, we bring you trusted care across all major treatment specialties. Vedam has successfully assisted over 100,000 plus patients. For any medical assistance or to start your treatment journey, contact Vedam Health.